Here's the thing that's really, really important. When we use the solar plexus, it's not just about drama. It's not just about laughter. It's not just about all of the more subtle nuances of the human experience. That energy in the solar plexus actually has an incredibly important function in terms of enhancing what you create in your reality. When we look at the solar plexus, when we look at the nerve connections in the solar plexus, remember when we talked about physiologically where it's located, it's the gut, right? It's the gut and the kidneys and the pancreas. There is a nerve, the vagal nerve, that actually connects the gut to the heart and the mind. So the heart and the mind and the gut are actually all connected. And what scientists are actually finding is that there's an intelligence in the gut or in the GI tract. Whatever goes on in the gut can actually influence the functioning of the heart and the brain. And that there is an alignment physiologically between these three. There's also an alignment energetically between these three, and it's a very vital and important alignment because what we're learning is that the heart center has a very specific electromagnetic frequency and resonance. And what is going on an electromagnetic level in your heart actually influences what you attract and experience in your life. Your solar plexus, your emotional energy, actually synchronizes with the electromagnetic attraction field in your heart, and it actually tells you, or it actually attunes the vibration of this electromagnetic attraction field in the heart, and it will influence what you create or draw or attract into your life. So when we talk about the law of attraction in metaphysics, the law of attraction mechanically actually emanates from the heart. In human design, we talk about what's called the magnetic monopole, which is actually a magnetic force that resides within the heart. That magnetic monopole, or the electromagnetic attraction field in your heart, is regulated by your emotional vibration. And when you are using this emotional energy to synchronize and attune the center in the direction that you are wanting to create in your life, it actually causes you to attract really great and powerful things in your life. If you're not using your emotional energy correctly, especially if you're reacting and not being deliberate and not being conscious of what's going on emotionally, it can actually influence that electromagnetic attraction field in the heart, and it will influence what you end up attracting into your reality. So if you want to live a really great and powerful life, you want to live an amazing life, you've got to be keenly attuned to what's going on in your emotional energy and how is that emotional energy impacting your heart and what you attract into your reality.